Ford, located at 250 50th Avenue, the Lloydminster Border City. Today we're checking out this beautiful pre-owned 2019 Ford F-150 XLT. The exterior color is white. Under the hood we have a 5-liter V8 engine paired to a 10-speed automatic transmission. At the front we have tow hooks as well as an engine block heater. Over at the side we have 18-inch aluminum wheels wrapped in Goodyear tires as well as chrome handles and black mirror caps. This 2019 Ford F-150 also comes with pre-collision assist. At the rear, we have a trailer tow package and a rear camera with reverse sensing system. At the interior there, loads driver-friendly features including power locks, power windows, mirror settings, and a ton of door storage. Heading into the cabin, we have gray cloth seating with adjustments located just on the side. And over at our steering wheel column, we have our headlamp settings. We have a tilt steering wheel with cruise control options to the left, and to the right we have our media hands-free options. Looking just above, we have our rear view mirror and our cabin lighting. Looking ahead, you can see it has 81,807 kilometers. And looking ahead at our center face, we have options such as Bluetooth audio, phone, apps, and settings. Just below, we have our climate control area, which offers heating and air conditioning for the entire cabin. At the rear, passengers have access to power windows and door storage. And heading into the cabin, we have bench seating, which provides a ton of leg space and headroom. If you have any more questions or would like to come in and check out this beautiful 2019 Ford F-150 XLT, please do not hesitate to contact our friendly and professional sales staff. We look forward to seeing you in store and answering any questions you may have. We'd like to thank you for shopping here with us at Boundary Ford.